Hello everybody and happy Tuesday. I figured I would make a video today because the windows have been open all day. It is gorgeous, makes me want summer quite badly. But to continue on our journey of learning more about insurance, woohoo! Um, Today I am going to talk about utility lines coverage. So a lot of people get these mailers that come from maybe your water company or things like that that handle utilities, and they offer the coverage for the utility lines that go from the outside of your house to the street or sidewalk or wherever it is that you live. They can offer for a certain monthly charge to cover these lines, because the reason they do this is the homeowner's policy never covers anything, like I said, from the house out to the road. However, as the homeowner, you are in fact responsible for those underground utilities. So, your electrical, your water, your sewer, that if you're hooked up to city sewer, you are responsible for those things. So let's just say a tree branch grows into your sewer line, or it gets crushed somehow, or it's just one of those old like terracotta pipes that go out to the road and just over time deteriorates and causes a leak. And then obviously you might have some water backup issues in the home or damage that's caused because that line is blocked. It involves excavators. It involves plumbers that sometimes do that work, where they actually do the excavation work, and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars that could happen. And in essence, you are responsible for it as the homeowner. Now, I'd say in the last like year, 2 years, something like that, the homeowners companies have been starting each, and it's a little bit different because some companies have it already, some are just getting it, some will be getting it soon. It just depends on what company you're insured with, but for a very minimal charge, you can add this utility lines coverage, and it is just an excellent coverage to have as part of your policy. Again, not every company is there yet, but honestly, I have a feeling the next year or 2 years, every single homeowners company will be offering that coverage. Again, very inexpensive for considering what it actually covers and the cost that could come with something like that. I strongly suggest it for people who live in maybe a little bit of an older neighborhood. Your house may be updated, you may have done everything to it, make it wonderful, but those underground utility lines don't get touched until there's an issue. The utility lines coverage is very comprehensive. As I mentioned, like a tree growing through it's not like like for the rest of a homeowner's policy, a lot of times it's sudden and accidental. So, a tree falls on your roof and that damage will be covered most likely. But, when it comes to this, it could be something that happened over time and they will cover it, because you have the endorsement of the utility lines. 9 times out of 10, this is not included on a homeowner's policy unless you specifically schedule it on your policy. So it's another talking point with us. We can let you know if your company offers it, what it would cost. Again, truthfully minimal for the type of coverage that it gives you. Some companies offer a limit. Sometimes it's 5,000, 10,000. Some companies just offer the basic utility lines coverage, and as long as you endorse it, they will give you the coverage in the event that something like that happens. So again, something to think about. It is truthfully a wonderful coverage that they've come out with. So any questions, you can always call us at Snyder Insurance, 610-861-0422. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of this beautiful day.